Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here. Let's take a fuel pump off of a big block Ford. It's a super simple job and, well, it's right here, so why not? I'll show you how to take a fuel pump off of a big block Ford. First thing you're going to need is a 5/8 or a 9/16, I'm sorry, 9/16 socket and a ratchet. Now if you don't know, this right here is the fuel pump. It's got an arm that comes in here and rides off the timing. So when the big gear up here turns the camshaft, it's got a lobe on it that also turns the fuel pump for you. I don't remember, is that, oh yeah, that one still got it on there. That's a down sweep, this is an up sweep. Just like that. Fords are super simple. Whew, and she smells like bad gas. Really, really bad gas. What I'm feeling right there is the timing gear. I don't know, she feels pretty, whoa, nasty. That stuff smells like straight varnish. I'm sure there's some high school kids somewhere that are getting all kinds of doopy loopy off of stuff like that. Holy cow, it stinks. Okay. Now, I don't want to flip it over just quite yet. So I'm going to drop the pan. Now I'll show you how to drop an oil pan with it up like this. That sounds like some fun, right? So stay tuned for the next one and we'll drop an oil pan while it's upright. That sounds like something fun to do. Usually I flip it over on an engine stand, but picture this inside of a, I don't know, inside of an application you can actually get to, so you can do it this way. We'll catch you on the next one. Meantime, get out there and get some metal hot.